Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, a fair price, and a rare model. Take a ride in the 2017 Corolla IM. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, FWD. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, HD radio, auxiliary audio input, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control, child safety locks. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Program. It's the smart choice.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.